Well, that's a whole lot easier when you come back at it fresh in the morning. I've now got it so that the back line, the back point is pulling to one side. Pulling the back, I'll give you a wee demonstration from a definition. I'll just pull the tip control. So there it is. The back's coming towards us, lifting this side. So the whole thing is going to want to push to the left at the moment. And if I tip it back the other way, it's going to want to push towards us to the right. Now that's working by this top line being pulled against the bottom line. So if I put it to one side, I'll pull this back line to the right here. If you've got a ring on this back line, and these are, say, elastic and held on this bottom line, they can only come out so far depending on where this ring moves. So this tied on at this point, you can pull this top line to the side, the tail comes to the side, so the whole unit wants to steer off to the left because the wind is mostly hitting this face. This line is let out, lifted, because this ring has moved back along here, allowing the line to lift up, whereas the ring that would be, if we go around the other side, the ring that would be here is pulled down as that top line moves along. Each of these back lines is going to be tied on to the outside of each kite unit, each kicksaw. Now I'll show you a wee bit of the definition. So here it is, full size. On the left you've got the curves defining the front edge. This is a top curve that shows the profile basically. You've got backline, two backline ones, and you've got a bottom line. Here you've got the control for the number of points and basically the number of kites. Here you've got how many you're lifting up from the feet, how many you're taking on or not there. Here that's my switch left and right, so I'll just balance the whole thing there, stick that in the middle, close enough. So there's a bunch of lists here that need trimmed out so you can define your surfaces. That's the bottom surface, the vertical one. You've got the edges defined. Rib stuff, you got catenaries defining the tails out over here. You've got the elastics running from the bottom line. I say elastics because it's probably going to be better to damp the power coming out of this with those. Oh, I should define which surface these are. These ones are. That's the top surfaces, the left and right.